High School Graduation Final Project by Jose Alvarez. During these 12 years at the institution, I learned many values based on the Catholic Church. In addition to obtaining a high quality education that has helped me to solve situations in my life. What would you like to do after your school graduation? After graduating from college, I will take a year to train and play the national tournament of soccer at the highest level. After that year, I will enter to university. If you are going to continue studying, what and where will you study? When I enter the university, I will be in the business administration career and the EFIT University. Since it is the best in the country in this career. Explain the profession that you would like to perform in the future and why. I like the I like the career of business administration since I was a child. I have like the commercialization of products apart from the fact that my dream for the future is to have a large company where I contribute with many jobs and projects for the country. How and where will you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself finishing my university degree, where at the same time I will be working in the family business and I will already have my first car and will be saving for my first house.